Now you may be taking on another type of flooring project around the house, and they've got a lot of tools that'll make those jobs a lot easier too. When people remodel their kitchens and baths, one of the most popular upgrades is replacing the old vinyl floors with new ceramic ones. But removing that vinyl and the glue that holds it is the most difficult part of the process if you do it by hand. This, however, is a motorized floor scraper, and it's designed specifically for this job. The vibrating knife-like blade peels up the flooring quickly and efficiently, saving sore muscles and blisters for do-it-yourselfers and the labor cost for the pros. Adding new flooring often requires you to trim door casings, and though it can be done with a handsaw, the quickest way is with a jam saw. You simply adjust it to the height the molding should be cut, and zip, it's done. Now, if you're refinishing wood floors, you will no doubt need to get acquainted with one of these. Though a drum sander will give you a workout, it's far less tedious than sanding a floor by hand, but it won't get you up close to your walls and corners, so for that, you'll need an edge sander. Now, these two tools help speed up floor refinishing because they remove material so aggressively. So in other words, be careful or you could really make a mess.